I'm going to be showing you how to clear your bounty in Where Winds Meet. So in Where Winds Meet, you clear your bounty by removing your wanted status in one of these ways. So the first thing you can do, which is also the safest early option, is if your bounty is low, just leave the area, avoid guards and combat, and don't commit more crimes. After some in-game time, your wanted level will drop automatically. You can also try to pay it off. So in larger towns or cities, just visit a government office or a magistrate area or interact with certain officials. Pay silver to clear the bounty. This is the fastest method if you have money. So if you're actively wanted, just stay out of cities, avoid fast travel into guard zones, and use stealth if entering towns. If guards spot you, they may attack you immediately. So some main quests can reset hostility in certain regions. So in all of these ways, you can successfully remove or clear your bounty in Where Winds Meet. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video.